Alright, y'all, so back with a new video in El Paso. We got a money run going down tonight. I think it's supposed to be my boy and his Camaro and a GTI, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's a big turbo GTI. I don't know what year. I don't know if it's MK7, MK6, or whatnot. But my boy, it's a 6th gen Camaro. It's just FBO, Hiram, E85, basic FBO Camaro build. Nothing too crazy about it. But yeah, this just happened all randomly, honestly. I guess you're supposed to race some Mustangs, and the Mustangs backed out. So he's looking for some runs, and they're able to set him up with a GTI for tonight. I don't know how much they're doing or what the pot is or whatnot. So we'll see all that shit when we get down there. But hopefully it should be good. So I'll pick this up when we get to the spot. Alright, so we just pulled up, and it looks like there's a whole like Mexico going down, honestly. There's the Camaro right there. It's the second one. I don't see the GTI yet. I don't know where the GTI is at, but yeah, so I'll pick this up right now. This is the GTI running. Don't really know what's done to it, but yeah, I guess he's running the Camaro. The Camaro's over there. We'll go take a look at the Camaro. This is the Camaro that's running. Basic FBO 85 build. But yeah, this is a Prey-tuned car. Hiram intake, headers E85, full drag pack. GTI is supposedly big drop-in turbo E85 port injection. I think it's a manual if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I don't know if they agreed rules already or whatnot. But we'll see that. We'll see what's up right now.
Yeah, we
40?
50, 40, whatever.
Okay, so 40? Okay.
40 to what, like 140?
Dude, it's whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know, dude.
40 to 140? Okay.
I didn't know, like, that's fine.
Yeah, okay.
So
Yeah,
what
put some-
happens?
put some
At one
bread
point,
on
you just stop or what?
No, so well, like the money that he has on his side, if you guys want to come through with some cash too.
Dude, I'm good. I literally just finished tuning last week, so I'm like still trying to figure out what it can do.
So just your $50 and that's it?
$50. I didn't agree to money.
Oh, okay.
I
I
didn't
thought it was for money. My bad.
I didn't agree to that.
That's what we all thought was for money, but yeah,
None of you guys want to bet on the GTI? Like $50?
like 25.
Yeah, even 20? No.
Not against the Camaro, the white one.
Oh no, no, never mind.
Supposed to have friendly run then?
I bet 40 to 140.
That's fine, yeah.
Or what is it?
Hey, it's a GTI, guys. It ain't nothing special, so.
Oh, I mean, shit, it's still got potential. That mother got potential. Okay. Oh, fuck! I told him supposed to come because they fucking told him to come.
Tell him just to meet us at the other spot.
Okay. At the
So, Camaro and them are doing fun run. 40 to 140, no cash. Nobody wanted a side bet. Supposedly he's just testing the car out, so nobody wanted to put money on it. Yeah, so we're about to head out. Not taking my car. I'm riding in one of the fast boys today. Riding in my boy Chris's Accord. This thing is fucking nuts. But yeah, so we're about to be passenger princess in this shit. But yeah, this shit's fast. This shit's a big turbo and everything. Hopefully we can get some footage in this. But yeah, so we'll head out right now. I'll pick this up right now. Gutted life.
bro, honestly, you could swag in here.
There's a decent amount of room. Holy shit.
Fuck yeah.
This is the 5.0 we just tried to get runs in with the Accord. Fucker kept missing though. But yeah, my boy just got this shit boosted like literally like probably like 3 days ago. Shit sounds fucking nice. But yeah, you got a ESS 2. Still on pump gas on 91. Got a badass Subi. But yeah, the boys Accord moves, as y'all can tell. But yeah, shit sounds fucking nice. Shit sounds fucking good. 5.0. I expected a little more out of the GTI, honestly, considering they're light and whatnot. But Mero got them by. How bad was it, or?
You were right, bro. Destroyed, bro. It's not even worth pissing gas.
No, we did the same thing. But yeah, so Mero took the dub. Honestly, my 5th gen probably did better than the GTI. But yeah, fucking Mero moves out. The Mero got my 5th gen probably about like 2 cars or so. Yeah, it's the way I bricked up Mayo in the Supra. But yeah, so Mero for the win versus GTI. Mero took that shit probably by like 4 cars or something. If I get the video, I'll drop the footage in the video below. But yeah, let's see if we can get some more runs on the way back in the Accord. Probably with the Supra. Bro's about to run me over. We're about to get a 3-way with the 10-speed Mero, the ESS 5.0, and the Accord.
Give me a fucking 40 now.
So as y'all can see, we had badass runs, the big turbo Accord and the ESS 5.0. I think we did run the Subi too, but bro, the Accord is fucking crazy. The Accord is similar to my EcoBoost, but I think it's faster than what it is than mine was. But yeah, this shit fucks too. The top end on this thing just rips. Okay, is it good or what?
Huh?
Is it good or what?
Every time I shift aggressively, it like cuts power.
But Yeah, shit is fucking crazy, bro. Definitely some good ass runs with this shit. And it's still smallest pulley on Pump 91. And it's a G2, not a
to
G3.
140.
So yeah, this thing is.
I know you did, bitch.
Bro, I fucking missed. I fucking
I
missed, bro.
saw it. I was like, fuck.
I thought your coupler blew. That's what I really thought. I was like,
It's coming off the.
But yeah,
like,
Subi missed, I guess, third against us. But
Me
yeah,
and-
this shit's
me and
fucking
Leo
crazy.
Had a good race. He got.
Matt going for a quick rip. Make sure to follow me on the ground. Oh wait.
all them horses
Oh.
under that hood. You hear me, boy?
kind of slow.
Dude, just the sound, bro.
I don't even care if I lose. Sound dead. Losing.
Dude, this thing feels fucking crazy. Holy shit, bro. So, Mexico ended early. Boy got a flat while we're doing a ride along in the ESS. Trying to fix it. Hoping this shit puts in some work. But, yeah, we still have some pretty dope runs with the Accord. And whatnot. Awesome runs with the 5.0. But yeah, that's probably gonna end it for tonight. If anything else happens over the week, then do some more vlogs. But for now, this is it for today. So, ladies, y'all.